Doing a repair attempt for Mr. Dunn. 7:30, 85 degrees outside. I'm going to be replacing this crease shingle right here. Unseal all the shingles above it. We have two different areas. We have a control area and our area where we're going to be doing the repair. You see, I wipe. No granulars are falling off these shingles. Same thing in the control area. I wipe. No granulars fall off these shingles. So shingles above the wind damage shingle are all good. Shingles in the control area, all good. I'm going to start by unsealing everything, seeing exactly where my shingle starts and ends. I'm going to try to be as careful as I can. Old shingles out. We'll do another granular wipe test on these. And you can already start seeing the granulars falling out of the shingle. And every single one that had to be lifted up to get nails out of. They haven't even been lifted above a 45-degree angle yet. Even this one all the way over here. Again, if I come to the control area, all these shingles are fine. You can see where it's already starting to have micro tears in the shingle. You can see where the crease is starting to form and the granular loss is coming out. Especially on this one, if you look at it from an angle, I'm sure you can see degranulation going on. Crease starting to form. We'll put a new shingle in. Due to building code regulations, these shingles need to be driven in, or these nails need to be driven in at a 90-degree angle to be flush with the roof deck. Which means the shingle's going to have to be lifted this far in order for me to nail it properly. Again, even more granular loss. On all these shingles. So we replaced one shingle, now we have two more damaged. As you can imagine, how many wind damage shingles were on this roof, Austin?
About 60.
60. So if we go to replace 59 more shingles on this roof, we now have 180 shingles that need to be replaced again, just from replacing one shingle at a time. So as you can imagine, if we do the repairs that State Farm's recommended on this roof, it's going to destroy this entire roof system. I mean, as we get rain and wind, these shingles are never going to seal down. I'm going to have to hand seal these shingles down just to make sure it doesn't happen in this case. But as we get more rain coming through the summer months, these granulars are going to wash off even more. As it heats up and cools down, more granulars are going to come off. And again, these shingles are never going to properly seal down. That's why we're recommending a full roof replacement, because there's no way to properly restore this roof to a pre-loss condition just by doing 60 repairs.
Thank you.